It is 6 p.m. in Ayia Napa, and I'm on the last beach stop for today here. This is beach called Vathia Gonia, and the sun will be setting down in half an hour or so, and it's time for the last beach adventure today. And yes, it is still 31st of August and it's still my birthday. And let's take the last swim for today before the sun sets. Alright, so here are some rocks over here, but I see that it is sandy inside. So we're gonna use that. This beach had surprisingly great rating on Google Maps, but I must admit it's quite awesome. And I guess also during midday the color of the water is even the same like at Nissi Beach. And yes, in the earlier episode I also showed you the secret bridge, and I showed you this beach from over there, from the rocks, from the last rocks where I was swimming, to see the secret bridge from the sea. Here you can also see the beach from the water over here. There are some resorts over here. And yes, this is also very close to the center of Ayia Napa. And there's the sun, the beautiful sun that we had a lot of during the whole day. I just love it when it is sunny for my birthday, and I'm also on vacation on the birthday, so that's super amazing. So now, after this, I plan to run back to Protaras, around 10 kilometers, because I missed running a lot. I was doing lots of cycling and swimming recently, but I need to go back to my roots and do a lots of running, because you know I am an Olympian and I was participating in the London 2012 Olympic Games in 400 meters, athletics of course. So I'm a sprinter in my nature, but I have been also running a lot of longer distances throughout the years. I even completed once a half marathon and a full marathon not so long ago. And yes, the time has come to take the last swim for today. So let's go! It's beautiful. Huh? What a perfect birthday. I couldn't have asked for a better one. Enjoying in the sea all day long on 8 different beach locations throughout the day. And I think I deserve some nice cake or ice cream in the evening now. After a nice dinner, that will be probably gyros, my favorite of the Greek cuisine here in Cyprus. And yes, this was day 4 of my Cyprus vacation. So 3 days left, but it's still a lot more places to explore on this beautiful island. So make sure to tune in for more adventures. And yes, I'm sharing one interesting fact about Cyprus in all of my episodes. And the next fact for today is that Cyprus has the lowest crime rate, the second lowest crime rate in EU and the 8th lowest crime rate in the world, which means it's a very safe country to live in. I wonder now who is the first safest country in EU. I need to check that. I suspect it's Iceland, but I need to verify. Alright, cool. Before I leave you with the wrap off, I'm gonna show you once again the beautiful beach. Vathia Gonia. And the beautiful sunset also. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon again with another breathtaking beach location from Cyprus on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!